Hello, lovelies. Welcome back to my kitchen. Thank you all so much for the love and support. I really appreciate you. To all my channel members and all my supporters, a big thank you. Silent viewers, big up yourself. Let's make overnight oats. Strawberry and blueberry overnight oats.
Jay, them say it tastes nice every time when you cook all my finger, my bite. Food delicious, me have to do it every time. Share with my friend them, comment, like. Sister J, real top chef that a fuck. Chop, 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 chop. Chop the potato, chop the carrot. What leap of spice of it day in the pot. Sister J, she no play to the world where we say when not time to cook, she no delay. Me swear.
This is a quick and easy on-the-go breakfast. This is what I take to work most of the time. Simple and easy. All I need is my oat milk, my chia and flaxseed, my cinnamon powder, oats, strawberries, and blueberries. All right, so now I'm making 2 servings. Here I have my bowls, and I'm adding the oats to the container. If you're here for the first time and you're not yet connected with me, go ahead and hit that red subscription button and put the post notification bell on so you'll be notified of future upload. Now I'm adding the flax and chia seed. I'm adding some cinnamon. And I'm using the oat milk, but you can use any milk of your choice. So I'm just gonna go ahead and mix this in.
We're from that place where cook the best place for his recipe of the you to you. Sister J, that place will be full of mix. Our spices them mix. And we're the definition of cook.
So now that I mix everything, I'm adding the fruits. So I'm doing blueberries and strawberries. Sometimes I combine the fruits and sometimes I don't. So I'm just going to cover and sit in the refrigerator overnight. And then in the morning I will have breakfast ready. This is what my overnight oats look like. And there you have it, my lovely people. Breakfast is served. Thank you so much for watching. Please remember to like, share, and comment. And if you haven't yet subscribed, where you wait pan, just go ahead, man, do the do. Take care of yourself and love ones. Be safe. Live good, walk good, pray good. One love. Bless up yourself. Please subscribe for more from Sister J's Caribbean Cuisine, where I talk about food, I cook food, and of course, I eat food. Blessings to all.
Caribbean cuisine.